everybody, welcome to Cheeky Crumbs. Today we're going to be making this giant M&M cookie with chocolate chips and peanut M&Ms and chocolate M&Ms. It is delish. And I have my little helper here, Emma. Wave, say hi.
Hi.
So let's get started. What you're going to need: 2 dots, 260 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 170 grams of butter, 170 grams of granulated sugar, 170 grams of brown sugar, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 175 grams of chocolate chips, and some peanut M&Ms and chocolate M&Ms. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now Emma, you ready? Good girl. In a bowl, we're gonna put our butter. Yes. And then we're gonna put in our sugars. Okay, not so little at a time, a bit more. Good girl. Good job. And the other.
Emma.
Yeah, of course. Come closer. Good girl. Finished. And now we want to cream it together until it all comes together. Now, you ready? Okay. So now you want to pour in the vanilla, very little, very little. Okay, that's enough. Good girl. And we're gonna crack in our egg. Mommy's gonna do this, okay? And you wanna cream it together once again. Thank you, sweetie. You're very nice. Wait, not with your hands. We have spatulas, you see?
Emma.
Okay, Emma, use spatula. Good girl.
Mama.
Brava, Emma. All right, shall we keep going? Okay. So now you want to mix your salt, put it in, and baking soda with the flour. And then we're gonna put the flour inside.
Emma.
Yeah, together. Good girl. And we're going to say mix. Say mix. Good girl. Okay, are you ready to add the yummy stuff?
No better.
Oh, I have to wait. I'm sorry. Okay, are you ready now? We add in the chocolate chips. Mix well. Yeah, let's add some peanut M&Ms. And some chocolate M&Ms. Good girl, you keep mixing, huh? You want mommy to help?
No, Emma. Hi.
Okay, now we want to transfer our mixture. I'm using a pan which is about 25 centimeters and I have lined it with baking paper. You can use a skillet if you have one that goes in the oven. That would work great. You can use anything you like really. Are you ready?
Sí.
They drilling next door. Yeah. Okay. We'll pour it in, okay? Good girl. Look, now take the spatula. You do this part. Take a spatula and flatten it out. Like this, look. Flat. Yeah, go. Good girl. Shall we use our hands?
Sí.
Did you wash them?
Sí.
Yes, we did. Okay, go. Press it down. Press down the cookie. Good girl. Now we're gonna sprinkle some more M&Ms. And Emma, you're gonna put them on top like this, okay? And you press them down. Okay? Okay, not too deep. Not all the way down. Just put them on the top, okay? Good girl. Thank you.
Candy.
Squash them in a little bit. Gently, gently. Are you just saying yes to everything Mummy says?
See.
That's a first. Okay, I think we're done, Emma. Do you like it? Is it nice?
Wow.
Oh, we need more here.
See.
More. Okay, I think we're done. It's good. Right, so now you want to place this in your oven to bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. You need to check and make sure it doesn't dry out too much. And when it's ready, we take it out of the oven.
See.
High five. High five.
No.
What do you mean no? You're gonna leave Mommy hanging?
No.
Come on, give me a high five. Okay, fine. High five. Good girl. Okay, bye-bye cookie dough. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say happy baking. Say happy baking.
Peta.
Oh gosh, you're a perfectionist, aren't you? Let's go in the oven. So now we've taken it out of the oven and it has cooled completely. Is it cold?
See.
Good. Shall we open it? Okay. Are you excited?
See.
Good. Wow, is it pretty? Shall we put it on a plate? Okay. So here is our giant M&M cookie. And it's so colourful and giant and the little chocolate chips and it looks delicious. Someone's excited to eat it.
See.
And now we get to taste it. You excited? Are you excited? Let's cut a slice then. Let's see the slice. Yummy. Oh, careful. You want to have it? Look. How is it? Huh? Yummy.
Mama.
Yummy. Oh my god, your t-shirt. Thumbs up.
Bye-bye.
So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed baking with little Emma. She definitely enjoyed eating. Okay, calm down. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought and what you would like to see me make in my future videos. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Good girl. I know you want to eat it. You already had it. You've never had chocolate before this. You can't have that much chocolate.